I'm happy to see very keen people here to do the research. And of course, we are in Kelly Woods. The woods, as we all know, Mannaja Puka Maybach, but a quick checkup. Some of you have never been here, but it's a good place to see black-faced firefinch, white from the black-tailed, white from the black-charred, yellow pendant and yellow white-eye, blue bruise, batties and all that, you know, cuckoos, raptors, marshal and butlers and all that. All good here. A lot of skulkins and some other few wetland birds flying over. Like I remember we saw spawning geese last time here. So sometimes you can see pelicans and spoonbills. There's a river over there, and I believe there must be another thing there. So that's why Ikaboteng or Ikaboteng. So the woodland, of course, it's going to be damaged one day, as you can see. Only this man who owns a vast land, which one day maybe we can also still have a discussion with him to use it. But I'm also trying to protect another place right further, which is even more good. So maybe through that also it will help us in future. Okay, something here. White from seed eaters are very good here, and some of very good here, and even the firefinches do come here as well. So why not? You can still see good stuff. Watch out the some. Blue, red cheek cordon bleu, northern cronbird, scarlet-chested sunbird, I've got the cordon bleu. How do you call him again?
About 20 from 3
We're about at the very top
of the branch.
The very top, let's say 12 o'clock, there is a small twigs coming up left.
I've got it.
And it's just there. Here the supercillion, very pale one. So could be. Of course, I've tried to buy some juice as well for the boys and girls. So we have like 2 juice. Later on we can have a nice juice. Thank you for that. Yeah.
Let's clap for him.
Of course, I've got the water as well. So. Thank you.
You may also have new one, my last two.
I'm going to have another one also. Up, 2 things came in here. Northern red bishops. Male one came there. He must be a lucky man. Oh, Blackwood Hooper is calling. Okay, we can still manage. Point, you have $50 from me.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just dropping down.
What a good news.
To the right side.
Yes, it's now on the right hand side. Blackwood Hooper or Black Scimitar Bill.
You know, he's the first photographer today. He got a good camera.
Maybe, but let me call Bass. Now I travel and definitely focus on right now.
You got canaries there as well.
At the little river.
And the little river.
The little river right hand side to the Chikorumbu, yeah. And the canaries left hand side to the swallowtail beater.
So don't allow the needle move.
Oh, black face firefinch.
Okay. Where? Wow.
Yeah. Left hand side.
In the small dead tree?
Yeah, in the small dead tree on the left side.
Oh, yeah. Fucking dead. Wait. Give him a loud. Wow.
No.
Excuse me,
You're
guys.
scared in a way.
Now, excuse me, guys. Fansu, can you do the playback there?
Of course.
Let Fansu do the playback.
Dolbi ñaaro o yiro mba ñaaro jana.
So let's wait for Fansu to do the play. Fansu, if you can do it somewhere else, like. Don't worry.
Move la murunda.
Simple wider. Not the instrument.
Orange support wheel.
Where?
On top left.
Top left? No, black one box. Black one box at the very top left. Black is starting there.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay,
Top left here. Photographers?
Yeah.
Wow. Female on the right. The male is black one. Yeah, they are two together. Female is red, some reddish color. Male flew out, and then the female is there.
Black face of parrot. Pin kill all the comedy. Peaceful na hand. Melan female.
No, to make others. Yellow border there.
Yeah, to the top. Bible to the top.
Oh, that's blue. Yeah, good. Making love. Two cotton blues making love on the far right top.
Oh, blue. Ali? Highlighter.
Where?
Yeah, to the left.
Wow. When you say highlight on the tip,
Yeah.
Okay, where was it?
Near there.
Fantastic. Look at that.
Beautiful. Yellow bellied highlighter.
Maja highlighter. You have to help Maja.
If I move to
It's a male highlight. Now let's explain.
okay.
People like
In
Fanta.
the middle. Oh, yeah.
Now the highlighter, the other one is a male one. Pintel wider, those are non-breeding plumage. The first pintel wider we saw is a male one with. So the one up there now, before the top left, is a female one with non-breeding plumage. And the highlighter, of course, is very clean. So that's the male one, and the female is a little bit dull.
Look at the how small the northern bishop. Female one.
Do you get you get singing sissy collar? Make it a little bit louder now so they can come closer.
Yeah. The highlighter is back again. Top left. Near there.
Female.
Yeah.
The other name you can call him yellow-bellied flycatcher. Yellow-bellied flycatcher. Okay, how you call it? See behind you have the bishop, top right, and below is striped kingfisher.
Yeah, the right side. Yeah.
You know what they say about him? Striped kingfisher, very common, abundant in open woodlands, avoids water. What the name? Avoids water. It's like the woodland.
Yang sudah lah.
Male one. What's calling? So you need to try, but it's easy to also ignore it and say, look like that. Because you didn't get a good photo then. That's the main thing. After spending like hours on one bird. Sorrel.
There's one hotel in Chicansville, they name it Hotel Hibisco.
On the right side then.
That kingfisher calling.
It are a cup friend.
There is a nice place.
Cup friend.
I know what you want, but don't worry. When we stop somewhere, now excuse me, guys. Can we just move there and then zigzag back again? So some of these bishop family you've seen could be Quilias as well. Or
Lavender wax bill also is here.
the red bill one. Can we just stop here? Let's try to pick something here. Now, guys, okay, this is no, it's all right. Sometimes it's also good to hide yourself under a tree. Near your down also. It's okay them on the committee, you are part of the tree.
Oh, you have a look on top there, on the dead.
When you say on top, which of the top?
Yeah, the dead one in the middle, on top.
Pintail.
I don't have proper binocular in me. So don't you have a look?
Yeah, copper sunbird. Now it's just in the tree where you play it again.
Let's leave it tree, you know.
Oh, no, going. This pendulum, how do you call him? Sena pendulum. We don't have them here, but you can see them in Senegal. But not all of Senegal, but some part of Senegal. They can be a bit difficult.
So instead of yellow bellet arbomla, you just call them Senegal.
Senegal, yeah. Folktail drongo is now called glossy back drongo. Even this monkey, yeah, no, colobos, they have get a DNA. We don't have the red, but we have Eastern, I think. So there is a lot of changes, a lot of DNA tests.
I think they have a DNA test.
Their DNA tests here. Yes, it's possible. No, what's
Why for the black cat?
I'm not that way. Neither you see, you not like it.
I have a lot of them on my
So it's I got a new one. Now we can be lucky to get pale flycatcher here, or spotted flycatcher, one of them. Something coming out here, red tip cordon bleu.
The canary, yellow fronted canary.
Some of the starting again. Now you got some of the starting. What's that? What's that?
African Kukulamba.
I saw common cuckoo in Holland. Very good juice, many times.
Jamba. Nunca vou nem me acordar sobre. Não mais está protegendo. Como que? Não dá não. Aí está 300 meters também.
There's a small bird here.
young one.
Tidi malon de.
Anin jula ta no.
Okay.
Yeah, you are right.
Solid.
Variable, very top.
Top where?
Very top. Started the left side, la fala kamu. Started off on a billion.
Oh, there are two there.
Started off like a
Wow. Look at that. Top. Right top there.
started off the fourth and before the
Good from there.
okay. I know at the top.
Wow, look at the wild swan down there.
Got no man for silver budgets and the man. Very nice. I'll see a monomocal of synthetic. Go can in line. Or can I my up? My friend is very good. I'll have Manasiloni. Tell you, Manal. Monday. Bombardier Kukanadi. Not Jibu. I'll find a place to walk on.
Oh, ila kemoy. What's the black teeth?
What's the black teeth?
Yeah. Bru. No, that's a
What a day.
Wow, this is fantastic.
What a day.
What a day, yeah. Bru play, play. Oh, go back to the. This is one of the best in the city to take the white funded and the white soldered.
Chat on his over here. A couple of black bag with the white feet.
Wow.
Wow. Lovely.
Good. There you go.
Oh, white solid black tip also.
Oh, wow.
Black tip in the same tree.
Okay, black tip in the same tree. Wow. Photographs.
No.
Maja. Ne.
Woodpecker sound very well. Mulle be irisa boya yana.
Very good from that. What is this bunting?
Pasang bodoh saya tu football inside. Ni ada pono lagi. So baju saya mungkin tidak kalah sudah ni.
Bunya ni.
Okay, myself.
So what is in the middle? What is this dropping down now?
The other Elmamere is a young one, it's a baby.
Yeah.
She is flicking the wings looking for food from the adults. or the mom or dad.
Also,
if you stay here with us, the kid will come there. Oh, Lebanon? Small one? No, but that was something also yellow. Yeah, now okay. Thank you. I'm thank you. You are 10 points. So Fansu, you get 5.
White eye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good spot.
If you don't mind, we can go and we come back later.
It's getting very hot here.
Yeah. And we are not paid, so that's the problem. I believe if we are paid, we'll be not. This is a kind of pool, water pool for the birds. This is exactly what Lamin Bird Club is hoping to do. Putting water in different areas in the Gambia so that birds can get there and drink, animals as well. It attracts birds, of course. Without water, it's going to be difficult for wildlife. So when there is water, of course, there will be a lot of birds and other animals coming in. In fact, insects also, you can see beetles and other stuffs coming down to drink the water. This is not done by us, but it is when the place was being cleared by the caterpillar. The holy place, the place that have holes, water stand there, and of course, birds come down to drink. We are thinking of doing a similar thing in this forest here in future, maybe in a couple of weeks. There'll be a pool and there'll be a lot of water. Now the gentleman and one lady standing, they are all youngsters and they are professional bird guides from Lamin village and the surrounding.
Lamin is a town now.
Lamin town rather, and the surrounding, Yundum and others. And these are all fantastic birds. They know exactly their birds. So we are trying to protect the nature, conservation, and also trying to make use of the area by creating funds to protect places and, of course, something for the country.
Westfield before Iceman.
Before Iceman.
It's a motor wafu damage. They sell new cars.
Still,
Now move sorry. Sam kung sala ko at lako kisemba.
Ada move kan ko dai.
Ada ko wa. Kita ko na kana we mon lang ko.
Gira bi yana ko yawa na abun ni ko. I dropped her bag at the back.
oh, black face.
Black face.
Oh, so other side.
Ni na.
It's still there, still in Gajilansa. The big branch at the back.
Oh, the male one. Sound charger. But how Amusa.
Come on, take over here. Take over. It's good for the business, huh? So don't joke with this.
But Nigeria kakilong floater. Beside the pool.
around the pool, they just fly with the canal.
You know what it's called?
Oh, yellow pendulum.
Brown and burnt in the
No, you come here, Ansu. Ah.
Is it gone?
Join us and stop sending off the birds. Let's take the pendulum first.
Brown and burnt in the flight.
And you come here.
But how safe it is? Nini modona for Jayalo.
Yes.
Ndafa boldo den na mo ma ko woni ngala kili
Everything because burn in the journal.
African green or bushes? African green here. I don't know. Easy. Thank you. Skins here. Where? Okay, photographer.
No, nggak ya keraji, kagak gogo, nggak boleh cinta gitu, enggak, harus gitu.
I'm interested to know this place.
Swallowtail bee.
Complete 7 years. No. So this is the thing. Thank you, Maja. Thank you. Very much. So I spent like 5 years, 6 years. My name is Modu Jaju, alias Best Boy or Handsome, that's what ladies call me. I am the president of Lamin Bird Club. And Lamin Bird Club is an association that is really working hard to make sure places are protected, and we also do a lot for bird watching in the Gambia by creating water holes for the birds and other wildlife. Right now, at the moment, Lamin Bird Club is trying to offer a lot for every tourist who is coming to the Gambia. This is by protecting fantastic areas like some woods, and right at the moment we are also protecting Kili Woods, which is a new place. Wonderful birds can be spotted there, and the place is not very far from the coast. It's about an hour drive from Senegambia Beach Hotel and the surrounding. And at the moment, we are even trying to build a very nice photo hide there, and also a water hole for the birds to get there and drink. The birds that are very easy to see there is black-faced firefinch, white-rumped seed-eater, brown-backed woodpecker, cardinal woodpecker, white-shouldered black tit, and then white-fronted black chart, brew, yellow pendula and yellow white eye, Senegal erimamela, pale flycatcher and spotted flycatcher, butler eagle, martial eagle. Right at the moment, we just saw 2 African hawk eagle that are just flying over our heads, trying to come down to drink at the pool we're standing next to, which is fantastic. Animals like African Patas monkey, green velvet monkey, and antelopes comes to drink as well, and some of the rodents as well. So protecting this place is going to be something vital for the future generation. As we can see, all this area is being cleared by people either for charcoal or for firewood. So we said, no, why not we just intervene and do something? And this is by protecting the place to make sure the place will be there forever. And this is why we really get big interest to do this. And now at the moment we are collaborating with a family to make sure a vast land will be protected. And inshallah, it will be done very soon. Yes, very well, very well. Well, the reason of doing this is people have been visiting the same places every now and then. If you ask some tourists, have you been to Abuko? They say yes. Have you been to this place? Yes. But now if you ask them, have you been to Kelly Woods? No. Have you been to some woods? No. So this is why we have to keep going out and search for proper places or places that you can see very, very special species. But there are birds that are still moving away because of, settlement and because of deforestation and all sort of things. So we, Lamin Bird Club, each year will, conduct quite many research activities to make sure we see places where you can see good birds for the tourists coming to the Gambia. This is why we're doing this. For today, black-faced firefinch is fantastic. Brown drum bunting is one of the highest or the biggest number. Here, if you come here, you'll see a lot of brown drum bunting. And these are birds that are difficult. You have to go more inland to look for them. But here, it's very easy. So today is a very successful day. We've seen quite a lot of birds that are difficult to spot in other areas. Very well. Well, I will urge all the tourists all over the whole world that click to this channel and you will see names of guides of Lamin Bird Club, and then you can just contact them, you book, and then you can do something with them. And I believe they will show you a lot of birds. The trip will be successful because we have discovered a lot of places where you can see good birds. So why not? Try the place and you will enjoy it there.
My name is Fanta Toure. I'm a member of Lamin Bird Club. I like the field. I love nature so much so that's why I like to be a bird watcher. Now I've been in the field for 4 years now. For me as a trainer, I've achieved a lot because I have a good boss, Modu Jaju, who is my boss, teaching me, showing me a lot about it. I'm here about advising women. It's a field which, we cannot only say men only should be a bird watcher. Women and men should be a bird watcher. We can all do it because it's a very good field. One, for example, like forest. We are losing more trees now in our forest. Some people are cutting down trees. If you are a bird watcher, you can protect the forest. I'm advising all women to come and join us to be a bird watcher. It's very important. It's a nice field. Anyway, it's hectic, but I love the job. When you like something, you have to work hard for it. So that's why I'm on it. Some people even discouraging me. You are a lady. Why should you do this? Why are you a bird watcher? Don't you have a work or don't you know what to do? But they don't know that it's something important. Bird watching is something important. Even though if I'm in the field, I'm in the forest working, when they say, wow, a lady, a bird watcher. But I like it.
Okay, my name is Abdou Diouf. I'm a professional bird guide, a member of the Gambia Birdwatchers Association, also a member of Lamin Bird Club. So I'm very happy to be a bird watcher because I like nature and also I like the habitats. I'm inspired by a lot of people because I have a lot of bosses that inspire me. Like when I was young going to school, I usually see the Solomon Jallo, Modu Jaju, Dembo Sonko, within the vicinity because this is what they do. So that inspired me a lot to take this as a profession. And then in 2007, I happened to join the birdwatchers trainee at Abuko Nature Reserve under the Department of Parks and Wildlife, and registered as a trainee guide. And I have undergone my training at the Parks and Wildlife from 2007. Then I have done my 2 years professional training with Department of Parks and Wildlife, and also I'm a certified guide from them, from the Parks and Wildlife. And then I happen to be a registered guide with the Gambia Birdwatchers Association, and now finally with the Lamin Bird Club. Yeah, it's very impressive, because this is what we need as, because I'm not that very young in the field now, but also I am inspired to see, to reach at the higher height with the elderly guides we have. So this is a very motivative factor that encouraged me to join this research tour today. which is very impressive. We have seen some good species, like the brown rum buntings, although I have seen most of them before in other areas. But the site is a very good site, Killy Woods. And then to see these birds again is very impressive. Birdwatching is a noble profession, and it's just that people need more sensitization, because sometimes people don't understand and they don't know. They think we are one of the most useless people when they see us around the fields looking for these birds. But it's a very important profession, and also because it goes with conservation. And because now we are losing most of our forest covers due to different factors. But if you are involved in birdwatching, it means you are involved in conservation, because you will like to protect areas, stop cutting down of trees, and then always you engage yourself in tree planting exercises. So that is very important. Also, it will help, because we are in a climate crisis now. We have been hearing about the climate change all the time. So we need this forest covered to avoid some of these things happening in future.